Founders and affiliates, there are two trains to be traveling on. One train is in reverse and the other train is the super luxury bullet train moving at breakneck speed going forward. So there are two different tracks. Super luxury bullet train track takes you forward to your ultimate destiny, or are you stuck in the train that is moving backwards? Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company is the ultimate vehicle for success, a true super luxury bullet train that promises to revolutionize the industry with its innovation and integrity. In contrast, the train moving backward represents outdated systems that cause their followers only financial pain and heartache through constant loss and broken promises. We urge you to abandon those failing ventures and patiently join the 90% who are wisely boarding Mr. Mufareh's visionary enterprise for a journey toward prosperity and fulfillment. Going back to those failed businesses is a recipe for completely giving up on all your dreams. Don't let people who are magnets for these failed business models cause you to pour more money that you don't have into new businesses that they open when they realize that they have been figured out and less people are being sucked in. So while they are promoting their present venture that never will get off the ground, they start working on another venture with the same characters who formed the top of that venture going nowhere. Those same characters follow this unscrupulous merchant of despair and promise people more of the same things that were failures in their present venture. It is called recycling trash and selling it as the greatest thing that they have ever seen, and urge poor people to get in before everyone storms in and take your position away from you. Stop this insanity and be patient until Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company is ready to launch. It's not costing you money out of your pocket waiting, like these new shiny objects will cost you.